Not loud enough. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the 340. Hope you guys are all doing well, man. I'm doing great. Can't complain. Another day, another blessing. Still trying to wake up. From one of my previous videos, you guys might remember the car was dirty as hell. So I ended up washing it like 2 days ago. I washed this and the M4, spotless. Now look at the weather. Wet. So what we got going on today, currently I'm gonna be dropping the car off at my boy Upscale. I know I said I wasn't gonna paint correct the car, but I gotta do something with it because honestly it's so bad. And there's no ETA on my wrap. They told me late January, early February, and here we are. Hopefully soon. We got a color change coming. We have an event on Saturday. It's gonna be at Beamer Plugs, and I'm most likely gonna take both of the BMWs. So I'm gonna take the M4 and the 340, and I just want the 340 to look good. I don't want to bring it with busted ass, scratched up ass paint. I originally had plans to have the car wrapped by now, but it's not gonna happen. It's not the worst right now. It's just when the car was down, it was literally just sitting, collecting dust, dirt, rain, ashes from the fires, all the above. And then my guys over at Detail Union told me the lip is ready to go. So most likely when I get home right now, I'm probably just gonna get the M4 and head over there. So that kind of sucks because the car's mint and clean, and it's gonna rain for sure later. It's already sprinkling. We'll have a fresh lip on the M4, getting the paint cleaned up on the 340, and we're gonna be pretty much all ready for the weekend. Should be a cool little turnout. I mean, it looks good when the light ain't directly on it. Oh, yeah, pa. Damn. What the hell is it trying to get in here with? Yeah, video is not picking this up, but just know, I need some help. Yeah, dude, there's so many scratches right here. This is cooked. Trying to get a good angle. There you go. There you go. That is cooked. Got some spots right here. The rain did this. The rain. Oh, hell no. That shit looks horrible. Holy shit. God damn. Little Dairy Queen. Sunday swirl. Yeah, you could tell this shit will come out hella good though. Oh, dude. 'Cause it's not bad. It's just fucking rough. Damn. And the bumper will be repainted for sure because that shit does not match. Look at this. Damn. Cooked, brother. Yeah, that shit needs help. Black cars, vato. And just like that, we teleported to the M4. Bro, I'm sad right now. Look how clean it is. And I'm about to take it out in the rain right now. This thing's spotless, bro. It's so clean. Thack. It's about to get clapped. No turning back now. We are currently on the way over to Detail Union, and we're gonna get this ugly ass lip swapped out. It's not too bad, so I'm actually gonna see if my boy can fix it or just at least make it look better. So if something does happen to this one, at least I'll have a spare, because those things are like almost $1,000. I really hate driving this thing in the rain. 1, because of the tires. 2, I don't trust other drivers. And 3, the front mount intakes. They're not like super exposed, but they're definitely exposed. So I try not to be on the throttle too much because that bitch gonna choke us with water. I'm gonna pay attention to the road and take this very unsafe drive to the shop, and we'll hop back in this video. Man, I feel like I never get to see my car like this. Beautiful ass car. And low-key, the white DRLs look a lot better. Just blends with the car. Alright guys, out with the old, in with the new. That's funny though, the water actually made the lip look better because you can't see all the white. Damn, Fresh Kicks. Why you gotta do me like that? Check out these new Lotuses. Believe it or not, your boy Kicks actually really likes this car. This is the spec too. Nardo on yellow? 100 bands though? It looks like 100 bands. But I don't think the performance is worth 100 bands. But it's definitely a nice looking car. There it is. Not gonna lie, these things look hella ugly without a lip. It's like a underbite. It's all good to go. Ooh. Obviously, fresh PPF. Ooh. Shout out to the guys over here at Detail Union for all the PPF work on the car. I think the car's been full PPFs for a year now. Still looks amazing. Absolutely love it. That front windshield tint is putting in work, bro. It looks so good. Bro, this car is actually so fucking clean. Like, I never really stare at it, but damn, this shit is so nice. Alright guys, we all good to go. There it is, that's what I like to see. So we're gonna drive very carefully, fingers crossed, and we should be good. Honestly, the last lip did me well. I just messed it up going into the garage. So that was my fault. Very unfortunate that we washed it and it's dirty now, but it's all good. Yeah, man. We good to go. Let's get up out of here.
3 days later.
All right, guys, we are here to pick up the 340. Way better. Can hardly tell the difference between the glass and the paint. I remember this side was cooked. Shout out my boy, man, getting me right. Shit was way better. I know you guys remember these. Woo! Those are alive again. Damn, all the scratches in the door right here. It's like nothing there. Woo! Back in action, dog. That shit looks way better. Sheesh. check it out. Ooh, that metallic is popping again. Like I said, man, when black cars are clean, they look awesome. It's just the maintenance, man. The best way to have a black car is just correct it and then PPF the whole thing, but that's bread. Now you could just tell that the bumper's been repainted. Shit looks hella off. It's like two different blacks, bro. This shit's like gloss black with hardly any metallic. But like I said, I'm gonna wrap it anyways, so it's cool. But man, this thing is back to life. You guys remember how bad these were? Look at that. All the scratches I had right here. Yeah. Bro, I don't know if you guys remember, I had hella scratches right here. It looked horrible, like absolutely just dog shit. But my boy blessed it. Even though we're gonna wrap it, I was just like, I can't bring it out to the meet like this, bro. It looks so bad. That shit was fried. Can't have kicks out here like that, man. Look at that paint now, G. It's back to life. So, yeah, man, all we're waiting on is new front bumper, wrap, and this shit is good to go. Then we just go and make it fast. That's about it. Oh, yeah, pa. Finally back in the 340. It's been like 3 days. We back. She's looking better than ever. Running beautiful. I've only done like 1 or 2 pulls since I put the manifold on, but the 1 or 2 pulls that I did do, the car feels super strong. I'm kind of scared for the M4, bro. I think the M4 might get gapped today. I ain't even lying to you. Do like a couple little test hits because I want to make sure it's good, because Jesse's gonna drive the 340, I'm gonna drive the M4. This thing pulls now though, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think it would really feel that much different with the manifold, but it actually does. Bro, go! Oh my fucking god, bro. I swear people don't know how to drive, I swear. They don't. License expired. You don't know how to drive, G. I'll give you guys one more pull before we end this video. These second gears are crazy. Something else, man. May not be loud, but this bitch pulls. I gotta run into the store, grab a few things, so I'm most likely just gonna end the video here. have an extremely long day. And huge shout out to my boy Upscale Detailing for doing a paint correction on the 340. It desperately needed it, man. It was bad. If you guys are curious what package I went with or whatever, it was just like a stage 2 paint correction. He could have went a little more in depth, but I'm like, yo, I'm wrapping it. I don't want to, I don't want to do too much. It looks amazing, man. It's way better. So shout out to my boy for always taking care of the whips. If you need that, holla at him. I'll throw his Instagram down here, Upscale Detailing. IE, OC, shit. I think LA too. He'll make the drive, but mainly like IE, but he will make the drive if the money's right, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, definitely stay tuned, guys. The next video is gonna be an absolute banger. We got 340 versus the M4. This is gonna be like the first time I'm ever racing 2 of my cars together. The racing scene is trash nowadays, so I'm gonna have a lot more fun just racing myself, to be honest. So definitely stay tuned, guys. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'm out, man.